Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Actually, let me fix this light real fast. I got the Philips Hue bulbs for Christmas, super cool. Anyway, I wanted to kind of jump on the trend and make a short video about New Year's resolutions and goals, and kind of talk about what's worked for me in the past, and hopefully that can help some of you out. One of the biggest things that's really worked for me is actually getting super specific. One of the traps that people can fall into is they'll have this vague New Year's resolution or a vague goal, and they can't really commit to it because having something that's so vague is not really having a plan. And even when you think you're specific enough, get even more specific. Potentially even breaking it down to the day-to-day things you can do to work towards your goal, or even break it down into smaller milestones throughout the year. For example, instead of having a goal of, I want to be more fit, maybe have a specific goal of, I want to go to the gym and exercise 4 times a week. Or throughout the year, by a certain time, I want to be able to run for this amount of time nonstop. Or by this time, I want to bench press this amount of weight, something like that. So break things down into specific steps or smaller milestones makes everything seem less intimidating and gives you a better chance to actually tackle them. Sometimes people, and I fall into this myself, are so concentrated on the end result that they get discouraged when they're not there immediately. So for me, concentrating on the work and all the steps I'm taking towards something, rather than how far away whatever goal I have might seem, actually helps me stay more committed. And the absolute best piece of advice I've ever gotten is just start. It's nothing revolutionary, and so many people have said it, but it honestly is the best piece of advice for getting resolutions or goals to stick. And if you combine that with the bite-sized aspects of your bigger overarching goal, I find that it's easier to create lasting habits that you'll be happy with. All right, that's it for me. I remember last year I sat here and said I was gonna try to make more videos, and I didn't really stick to that super well as the year went on, but hopefully this year I've set myself up for success. And now that we are all moved into the house and mostly settled, and now that the holidays are over, hopefully I can get out there and film a little bit more. Maybe even this weekend if all goes according to plan. All right, have a good weekend. I'll see you next time.